Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. And the rest of the song goes like that too, just different words. So, starts on a G. Oh, come. The G is 3rd fret, top string, index on the 2nd fret of the A, and then your ring finger goes on the high E string on the 3rd fret. So, and then on the word faithful, you're gonna go to a D. So, oh, come, all ye faithful. The D is index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, middle finger on the high E, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B. So, oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. So the G and the D for joyful and triumphant. And then, oh, come ye, oh, come ye. So it's going to go to the E minor, right? Oh, come ye. E minor is the A and D string on the 2nd fret. Come ye, oh, to the D. Come ye to Bethlehem. On Bethlehem, that's an A. The A chord is on the 2nd fret with the D, G, and B. Bethlehem. And on the 2nd half of the word Bethlehem, you're going to go back to that D. So here's what we got so far, real slow. Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Now it's gonna go. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. So, G and to C. The C is index finger on the B string, 1st fret, middle finger on the D string, 2nd fret, ring on the A string, 3rd fret. So, come and behold him. To the E minor now. Born the King of angels, ending on that D. So, come and behold him, born the King of angels. So here's what we got so far from the top. Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. So that's going to be that G. Come, let us adore him. G, E minor. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Now to a C. Oh, come, let us adore him. D. Christ the Lord. It's going to end on a G, D, G. Oh, come adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. And that's it. That's all you need to know. The rest of the song, just different words, but it goes like that. I'll play it real slow so y'all can, get the rest of the song too and play along with it. Sing, choir of angels, sing in exultation. Oh, sing all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God, all glory in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Song's a mouthful, man. I hope y'all got it. And let me know what other Christmas songs you want me to do or any other songs. And I'll see y'all soon.